Good morning. Today we are going to review what we have learned in Module 3, Lessons 1 through 7. Take a look at your review packet. Let's look at number 2. It says 4 times 7 equals blank times 4. This is the commutative property. And remember, the commutative property says that it doesn't matter which order we write our multiplication facts in, it's going to be the same. So if I take a look at the first part, I see that it says 4 times 7. I see a 4 in the next part. Which part is missing? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I see that the 7 is missing. So 4 times 7 is the same thing as saying 7 times 4. Let's look at number 3. It says find the value of the unknown. They used a letter or a variable to represent the unknown. So something divided by 3 is equal to 9. So I see that I'm given the answer in my equation, but I'm missing a part. So what that means I need to do is I need to do the opposite operation. So I see that my operation is division. So that means I'm going to take 9 and I'm going to multiply it by 3 to figure out what the unknown is. Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So 9 times 3 is equal to 27. If you don't know your 3's facts, you will need to write them down at the side 9 times and then see what number you get. Oh, I forgot 18. 8 and then 9 would be 27. So my answer would be A, 27. Let's take a look at number 4. It says count by 7s to fill in the blanks below. So 7 plus another 7 is 14. 14 plus another 7 is going to give me 21. 21 plus another 7 is going to give me 28. What would another 7 be when I add it to 28? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So 28 plus 7 will give me an answer of 35. So the count by, actually we are missing 2 different products. We had 21, which was how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. So that would be choice A. Now I also have a count by of 35. That was done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So my answer is actually 2. It represents 7 times 3, which equals 21, and 7 times 5, which equals 35. Let's take a look at number 6. Choose the equation below that represents the following. 36 divided by a number, n, equals 4. So for this one, I write down what I read. So 36 divided by, using this division symbol, a number, n, equals 4. Which one of those matches what I have written down? Pause the video while you work and replay when you are ready. So I see that the correct match is letter C. Let's look at number 7. It says 4 dogs, 3 puppies, each eat 7 dog treats. How many dog treats do they eat altogether? Choose the solution. Now solution is another word for answer. I don't think we have talked about this much. So here you have the equation. I see that there is 4 times 7 in parentheses plus 3 times 7 in parentheses equals t, which represents the number of treats. Now, when you see the parentheses, it's important that what you need to do is just multiply or do the operation what's in the parentheses. So since I am multiplying by 7, I'm going to write the 7's down. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, and 70. So first I have to multiply 4 times 7. So that is 28. Next, I'm going to multiply 3 times 7, which is 21. Now I'm going to add those together. So 28 plus 21, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 equals 4. So my answer is 49, which matches with letter B. Let's take a look at number 8. It says Thad spends $36 on some CD. Each CD costs $9. How many CDs does he buy? So first thing I'm going to do is draw a picture. This first part tells me that the total that he spent was $36. The total is going to go on top of the tape diagram. It says that each CD costs $9. So, how many CDs does he buy? Well, I'm not really sure how many pieces of tape I'm going to need in order to get 36. So think about what math operation are you going to do with the number 36 and 9? Pause the video while you think about it and replay when you are ready. So the math operation that I'm going to use is division. I am dividing or sharing. So that choice is going to be letter B. Your assignment is to finish the review. When you are finished, show Mrs. Drum. You did a great job today. I'll see you next time.